Tesla's voice-to-text feature allows you to send text messages without using your hands, minimizing distractions and improving safety. This video will guide you through setting up and using this feature effectively. As of December 2025, Tesla's system integrates voice recognition to enable drivers to compose and send messages safely while driving. Keep in mind that Tesla's texting uses basic SMS MMS through the car's system and doesn't directly integrate with apps like WhatsApp or iMessage. Messages are sent from the car's cellular connection or a linked phone. To enable voice-to-text, start by navigating to Settings on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then go to Apps and select Text Messages. Here, you'll find the option to enable voice-to-text. If you want to use your phone number for SMS, pair your phone via Bluetooth. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for optimal voice processing. After enabling, the system is ready to use. If you run into problems, check the microphone settings or update your Tesla software via the mobile app. To initiate a text, say "Hey Tesla" to activate the voice assistant. Follow this with your command, such as text, contact name or number, your message. For example, "Hey Tesla, text Mom, I'm on my way." The system will read back the message for your confirmation before sending. For frequent contacts, add them to your phone book via the Tesla app or touchscreen for easy voice recall. The system currently supports dictation of up to 160 characters per message. Tesla's voice recognition engine uses proprietary AI and microphone arrays to capture and transcribe speech. In ideal conditions with a quiet cabin and clear speech, accuracy rates can exceed 95%. Recent software updates, like V12 5.2 from Q3 2025, have improved voice accuracy by 25% through enhanced AI models. This reduces misinterpretations, especially in noisy environments or with accents. Tesla's system relies on natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. These technologies work together in Tesla's advanced voice system. Tesla's hands-free texting system includes important safety protocols. The vehicle enforces eyes-on-road rules, requiring driver acknowledgement for longer messages to ensure safety. The system also automatically pauses during high-speed maneuvers. While this hands-free feature reduces distractions compared to manual texting, it is crucial to prioritize road focus. The system is not a substitute for attentive driving. Be mindful of the system's limitations and potential for AI errors. For example, a 2025 NHTSA study showed that hands-free texting reduced texting-related accidents by 45% versus non-Tesla vehicles. Tesla's voice-to-text integrates with full self-driving FSD supervision mode. While FSD is active, dictate text seamlessly without disengaging from FSD. The system pauses for confirmation to ensure safety risks are avoided. However, always remain vigilant and ready to take control if necessary. Prioritize safety by minimizing multitasking while using FSD and voice-to-text concurrently. If voice recognition fails, first check your microphone settings to ensure they are properly configured. Ensure that your Tesla software is up to date by checking the Tesla app on your phone. If you're using your phone's connection for texting, verify that Bluetooth is properly paired with your Tesla. For persistent issues that these steps don't resolve, consult Tesla's official documentation or contact customer support. Remember, a stable internet connection is crucial for voice processing, though offline mode allows basic commands. Following these troubleshooting steps should resolve most voice-to-text issues in your Tesla. The future of voice technology in Tesla vehicles is moving toward AI-driven personalization and smarter responses. Expect features like suggested message templates that adapt to your driving context, such as automatic drafts for common situations like being delayed. This personalization will make texting more intuitive and efficient while driving. Deeper integrations with popular apps, such as native WhatsApp support, will allow seamless messaging without switching between systems. This will enhance connectivity and make the driving experience more integrated. Biometric voice authentication will provide enhanced security, ensuring only authorized users can access messaging features. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has hinted at AI avatars for virtual assistants in future software updates, reducing reliance on manual commands. Keep an eye out for these exciting developments that will make hands-free texting even more advanced and user-friendly in future software updates.